Hey everyone, I'm Chloe Sanders from Excellence Wellness Solutions. Today we are going to focus on recovery for runners. Recovery is so important for increasing strength and reducing your risk of overtraining or overuse injuries. These foam rolling and stretching exercises are great to do right after your run or when you're feeling sore. All right, let's do it. We're starting with those hip flexors, the group of muscles that is tight on almost everyone. Placing the front of your hip on the end of the foam roller, use your knee and elbows to roll down the length of your muscle. Once you find a tender spot, hold there, breathing, trying to relax for 30 seconds. If doing one side at a time is too intense, you can lay both of your thighs on the foam roller, rolling down the length of your quads. Immediately go into this rear foot elevated quad and hip flexor stretch. You can make it dynamic by moving your arms, inhaling your arms overhead, and exhale, open up the chest or lean to the side. Another commonly tight group of muscles surrounds the hip joint. Placing the soft part of your hip on the foam roller, roll up and down. You can make the pressure more intense by coming into a figure 4, placing the ankle of the hip you are rolling on top of the opposite knee. Continue shifting around, finding the most tender spot to hold. Moving into the hip stretch, seated on a bench, bring your ankle on top of your knee, push the knee away, and lean forward until you feel a medium to intense stretch, and breathe deeply. Since we use our calves and soleus to push off the ground every time we take a step, these muscles get very tight. Start by rolling both calves at one time, or to intensify, across one leg on top of the other, adding more pressure. Find the most tender spot, and once you've got it, hold and breathe for 30 seconds. For a 2-for-1 hamstring and calf stretch, come into a downward facing dog, walking out one leg as you bend the knee of the other. Focus on breathing, working on getting the heel all the way down to the floor. Our final recovery move feels great just after a run. With your heels against a sturdy surface, bottom of the feet up towards the ceiling, come into a mild hamstring stretch and open up your chest by resting your arms on the ground. Slow down your breathing for added recovery. Awesome. Perform each of those foam rolling exercises for 30 seconds on each side, holding and breathing on that especially tender spot, and follow it with a stretch for the same muscle. I hope y'all feel and see the benefits of this recovery video. Keep preparing for race day, and I'll see y'all next time.